discussed about the installation of the Power BI in the last session, right? I think, right, right, guys. We
Yes,
discussed
sir.
about how to install that Power BI, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Everyone installed
Sorry, what should we install, Harsha?
Power BI desktop. We are done in the last session.
I mean, this is my first class, so I wasn't aware. I was listening to the demo classes. I'm on the third. I'm listening to the third demo.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll download it by tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. Fine. No worries. See, we're having the recording sessions in the Google Classroom, so we can go to through recording class also. No need to worry.
Sure.
So actually, I installed that Power BI. Okay, I hope if anyone did not install, please go through. Installation of the Power BI sessions, and if anyone did not install, please install that. Now, and today onwards, I'm going to start the practical session. So far, we discussed only the theoretical part. It means the basic things what we need to know before going to learn the Power BI. Whatever the things we need to know, we are done that. So what we done actually, we are done actually. What is visualization? Okay, how to analyze a visual and what exactly the visual it is. What is visual and report and dashboard. And apart from that, what is exactly the Power BI? Where we can create the visualizations and reports and dashboards, the data visualization tools, right? So in the data visualization tool means so those data visualization tools we selected one Power BI, Microsoft Power BI. So while we are learning one Power BI technology, we need to know exactly what is the technology. It means what is Power BI exactly, and why the Power BI is having a good demand. I mean, a very demanding technology, very hard and hot technology in the market, current market. So we have seen that. Some features, the maximum features, what are the features are there, uh, why the organizations are migrating into the Power BI for the data visualization tools in the market. We have seen that, and how it will be working. Actually, the architecture of the Power BI also we have seen this. Okay, it means how it will be working, the flow, the working flow of the Power BI. We have seen that, and apart from that, we have seen if you need to create any one single visualization, if you need to create any one report, if you need to create any one dashboard, you should need what you need. You should you must and should need what? We should need some data. Okay, if I need to get the data to the Power BI, what I have to do? I need to gather, I need to collect that from the data storage technologies. So those data storage technologies we are storing, I mean we are calling here as the data sources, we are using as data sources. And while we are getting the data, we need to connect it with that. We need to know that also. If I need to connect it with the data source, I'm having some connectivity modes, I need to discuss that also. I'll discuss it later, you don't need to worry. And apart from that, we have seen that there is some components are available. What are the components are there? Just I'm recapping, please listen carefully. If anyone did not see day one onwards, sorry, the demo one to what we are done so far, I'm discussing overall. Clear? I hope everyone getting it right. Okay. Please respond. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. So we have seen some components. What are the components are available in the Power BI? And we discussed about something Power Query Editor. What is the Power Query Editor? It is which is inbuilt detail tool available in the Power Query. I mean in the Power BI, where we can do the transformations and extractions, and where we can load the data. It will be called as the Power Query in Power BI. So whatever the transformations we are doing, whatever the ETL process we need to do with the data preparation. I mean the raw data we are going to convert into that useful data. So these type of operations, these are all operations we are going to do in your Power Query data. So again, we are having one more component we discussed. And what is that? Power pivot. What is power pivot? Power pivot in the sense where we are doing the modeling the data, that will be having the power pivot. And apart from that modeling the data, we are going to writing some DAX functions. This also will be possible in your power pivot. Okay, we discussed about the relationship, how to create a relationship, what is relationship. Based on the common column, we have to build some relationship between the tables. So whenever we are going to working with more than one table, so that will be called as a power query. Power what? The name of the
Yeah.
tool is Power BI.
Did you say Power Query?
Yes, yes. Power query also one of the component in the Power BI.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I didn't catch that.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So we discussed it also, and apart from that, we have seen that the Power Pivot. Apart from the Power Pivot, we have seen. Another component Power BI Desktop. What is the Power BI Desktop? The Power BI Desktop will be interact with each and every component. What are the operations in the? If you need to create any report and dashboard, we need some components of help, right? Those components will be interact. Each and every component will be interact with the Power BI Desktop, where we can create the reports. And Power BI we discussed, where we can analyze the data, where we can display our data in the sense of in the form of visualizations. Okay, where we will do this, it will be called as a Power View. Okay, so that all about we discussed. Okay, going forward we'll discuss more things. No need to worry. So we are very happy to hear with you. And one more thing, if anyone did not register, enroll for this course, please try to enroll for today. Okay. So that's all about I'm done so far. And apart from that, we discussed about something licenses, right? Have you done this? Have you done the license? Power BI licenses. Power BI Pro. Bhargavi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Done
Yeah, have you done the
yesterday.
licenses? Yes. Power BI Pro license and Power BI Premium, Premium per capacity, Premium per user. Okay, Premium per user and Premium per capacity. We have done that. So whenever we have the Power BI Pro license, what we can do? So what are the possibilities are there? What we can do with the help of the pro license, and with the premium license, what we can do? We have seen that. Okay. So that's all about the theory part. What you have to know before going to working on the Power BI. Now you guys are done. The installation of the Power BI. Once you are done installation of the Power BI, now you have to open that. I hope everyone getting my screen right. I hope everyone getting my screen right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now I need to open my Power BI desktop. See, if anyone having doubt, please ask me while I'm discussing this. Okay, I'll try to explain clearly what exactly the Power BI technology tool, sorry, the Power BI tool, how the desktop will be there, how it will be giving you that. Everything I will explain for today, and what exactly this is. Give me 1 minute. It's going to open. So, what is the restriction of the data? What is the restriction of the data while I'm using that Power BI Pro license? How much data size I can, how much size of the data I can load into Power BI? Anyone? When I'm using that Power BI Pro license, size of the amount of the data, how much size of the data I can load into my Power
1 GB.
BI?
1 GB.
1 GB, right? Right. Exactly 1 GB it is. So up to 1 GB data only I can load into the Power BI. Okay. See, once you open your Power BI, okay, you are able to see this desktop. Okay. Now if you guys observe this, if I need to create any one report, I need to go for new. Okay, it means it is a report, right? You need to go for this. Once you open that, Once you open that Power BI desktop, you are able to get this window. Okay, you are able to get this window. So what are the options are there, what are the pans are there, what are the tabs are there, what exactly this window? If anyone know this, it's okay. If anyone don't know, means please listen carefully. Why? Because for these 2 months, for the next 2 months, we are going to work on this desktop only. Did you got my point? Everyone clear? For the next 2 months we are going to working on this desktop only. Okay, now what are the things we are having, what we need to know about this desktop? Why? Because we are going to working on this only particularly, so that's why we need to know each and everything, what are the things are available here. Okay, now coming to this side. Okay, I'm trying to explain each and everything here. Please understand carefully. If anyone did not understand, means please ask me the doubts if you have. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes. The last 10 minutes I'll give you for the time, for the doubts. Okay, 10 to 5 minutes. I'll give that time. Please note it down your doubts and ask me that. I'll try to explain for you. Is that clear, everyone? Okay. See, actually, we are having some data pan. It is. We are having some visualization pan here. We are having some filter span. Okay, filter span, if you need means you can keep it, if you don't mean, if you don't need means, or you can remove that. Okay, no need to worry. Now coming to from data pan, what is the data pan? See, in the data pan what will be happen? See, once you gather your data into the Power BI, okay, once you gather the collected the data into the Power BI, the data will be in the tabular form. What is that? The data will be loading into the Power BI as a tabular form, whatever the data it is, wherever the data it is. See, for example, if I'm having, we guys are know that, right? How the HTML file will be there, where we are writing the code. If you are writing the code, anything about the HTML, any XML file, if you consider that, how it will be? It will, it is not in the tabular form, right? But once you gather that data into Power BI, that data also, that data also will be in tabular form. Okay, so whenever we are gathered that data into the Power BI, it will be having the tabular form, and in the tabular form the data. Okay, see, here in data pan, whatever the column names are there, whatever the field names are there, it will be showing you in this data pan. Okay, and apart from that, that fields or the columns you can remove or you can edit, or whatever you want you can do here only. So the entire fields things will be, the entire table fields or the entire table columns will be column names, the field names or headers will be in the data pan. Is that clear, everyone? What is data pan? Clear? Clear, right? Please respond. Everyone clear? Any doubts?
Can you
What will be
repeat
happening
once
in the
more?
data pan? Yeah, what will happen in the data pan? Whatever the fields are there, whatever the column names are there of the table of the data, what you gathered into the Power BI desktop, the data fields, or I mean the table fields or the table columns or the table headers, whatever the column names are there, that will be giving you, you are able to view in your data pan. Is that clear? I will show you that. I will show you that now. Is that clear right now or not? See, we will be having some column names, right? If there is a table, I'll show you
Yeah,
that.
understood.
Are you talking about
Okay.
metadata?
I'm not talking about metadata, man. I'm talking about only the field names.
So you are
What is field?
saying whichever, so whenever we are creating a visual, whatever columns we use to create that visual, those columns will be displayed on the data section.
Exactly. That's what.
Okay.
I'll show you practically. Give me a second. See, I'm loading a sample data. Observe carefully. What is going on here? It is showing you that how much data, how much size of the data you are importing into your Power BI. It is showing that. See, once I gather the data, it will be in my table view. Mm, Creating connection model. See, 700 rows are loaded into the Power BI. Okay. Now, observe carefully. See, I'm having the data. The data fields. This is my data table. It is. What is the data? It is financial data. So this is my data. This is my view where I can view my data, what data I'm gathered into my Power BI. Okay, I'll show you how to get the data. Just I'm loading into the Power BI sample data to get it. See, whatever the field names are there, whatever the column names are there, these all the column names are you are able to get in your data pan. Is that clear right now, everyone? I hope everyone clear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. So
So,
now,
for example, if you are not
You may need
getting
to.
a question, so you load the Excel, right? Somewhere Excel.
yes, yes.
Hey,
Okay,
can you
so
just take it one more? Go ahead.
for
Sorry.
example, if you are not having any column or the title or
Hmm,
the
hmm,
spreadsheet has only the
hmm.
raw data, doesn't have the title. Title in the
Okay.
sense column title. So it
Column name.
automatically detect or
See, based on the data, we need to give that. Whatever the record is there in my column, if I don't have, we will see that also. In the Power Query data, we have to do that. The unclean data, we need to clean up the data. The incomplete data, we need to make as ready to data, create visualizations. We have to do this in Power Query data. While we are discussing that Power Query data also, we will see that. See, you're asking that if I don't have any column name, what I have to do? That is, you're asking that, right?
yes, yes.
See, based on, see, for example, I'm having this data. Now, if I don't have the name of the country, if I don't have the name of the country, what I have to do? You are asking that. So what
Yeah,
I will do is,
yeah.
yeah, what we will do is just
I can
based
see your
on the
mouse.
record, based on the records, we need to give the field name.
Okay. So
Okay,
we
based
have
on
to
the
give
records, we need to give that.
manually. We have to give.
Yes, manually we have to do that. Okay. If it is not there any column name, it will be giving you that column 1 or column 2. It is giving you defaultly in this field name. Okay, got it?
Yes. Yeah, please, can you navigate with your mouse so we can follow up? I mean, I'm not seeing your mouse moving. I get confused.
Sorry.
I said, can you be playing with your mouse so we can see exactly what you're doing?
Yeah,
Okay,
he is
I
asking
didn't get
further. Just show how to do one more
mhm.
time. That's the question, right?
Yes, please. With your
Yeah,
And
mouse.
yeah, he's
How to
asking
gather the
to
data? We will
point.
see that. See, actually, just I'm showing you what are the operations are there, what are the pans are there. In this case, someone did not understand what will happen in the data pan. That's why I loaded on sample data. That's why I'm showing you that. Just simply I'm showing that. Once I'm done each and every, each and every operation, whatever the operation is there, data pan, visualization pan, filters, and what is home tab, what is insert tab, what is modeling tab, what is view tab, what is this report view, what is this table view, what is this model view. Once we are done this all the things, I will show you how to gather the data. Please follow me, you don't worry, everyone you will get it. You will get a picture about end of this session. Okay, going forward we will see everything. See, one day only, 1 or 2 days, or 1 or 2 1 week or 10 days, we cannot learn all the things, right? Yes or no? So we have to go, we have to follow the architecture, we have to go one by one. Okay, You will see each and everything, you will see that. You don't worry about it. Each and everything, I will let you know that you don't need to worry about it. Okay, what I'm having the pattern is, my pattern is, if anyone did not understand me, that is my responsibility to get it clearly. So that's why the pattern, my pattern is, whatever the desktop is there, in this desktop, what are the operation is there, what is transform data, what is recent source, what is get data, what is filter span, what is
Hey,
visualization span, in the
wait, wait,
visualization
wait.
span, what is this build visual, what is this format visual.
Okay.
Okay, what is these three
You,
icons? Why we need to use it? These are all the things I need to explain. See,
okay,
someone
we
will be
got
there
it.
precious.
We got it. So can you show how you loaded the financial one? The financials. That's the question. Can
Okay,
you just show how you loaded? That's all. Yeah, that's all we needed. Thank you.
just I'm taking a sample data set. See, you're able to get it here, right? In the page, add to your report. We are having one sample data. Try a sample data. Load sample data. I need to select that. I need to load this. While we are discussing getting the data, we will cover this. No need to worry. Okay.
Okay. This financial something is a Excel or it's a sample data is already available in the tool.
Yes, yes. In the tool defaultly, it is
Okay.
giving that to practice or to create anything to learn.
Got it.
Okay, clear. Okay, fine. So now we are done. What will be happen in the data pan? Okay, in the data pan we are having something. The data, the fields name or the column names will be displaying in the data pan. Okay, coming to here the visualizations pan. So in the visualizations pan, as I told you, you can create your visualizations, you can create your report and dashboards. Whatever the visuals you need to create, you have to skeleton from visualizations pan. In the visualizations pan, we are having build visualizations. In this build visualizations, you have to select whatever the visual you need based on your requirement. You need to go for select to create that visualization, particular visual whatever you want based on your requirement. Selecting of the visualization, that is your responsibility only. As a Power BI developer, you are going to be as a Power BI developer, that is your responsibility, selecting of the visualizations as per your requirement. If you have particular requirement, I need only the column chart, I need only the bar chart, then I need to, you guys are need to go for particular visual. If you did not receive any requirement as per your data, you need to select the particular visual whatever you want. Okay, we'll discuss also each and every visualization. I will let you know the scenarios and how to create that visual, when we need to go for that particular visual, everything I'll let you know that. Okay, clear. So and there is a formative of visual, everyone know this. What is formation, right? Formatting of that, right? Formatting means formatting in the sense, once we created any visual, we can do, I mean, we are doing some makeup to that. That means additionally we are going to creating a good, good attractive visualization by giving some formatting that. Okay, so in the visualization span we will do that. Okay, so here only, if I need to add any data into that visualizations, I have to add here. We'll see that also. Okay, clear. Now coming to this filter span. In this filter span, what will be happen is, if you need to filter your report, what is filter actually? What is filter? What is filter? Generally, what is filter? I'm asking. Please respond. What is filter? Am I
I
audible
don't
to
know.
you, everyone?
Filter is used to like to get a customized data. You use some filters, right?
Yes. Yes.
So whatever we
Okay.
want, suppose we only
Hmm.
want
Whatever
for
we want
United
in the
States.
sense, exactly. Whatever we want in the sense, we are going to restrict in something. Whatever we want, that only I need. Rest of the thing I don't need. It means I'm going to restricting the data, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? The information I'm going to restricting that. Why? What I need, that only I want. That's what I'm going to restrict in that data. See, for example, if you created any one data or the any one report or any one report you did created here, if you need to only get required data information only, you can go and filter that. So in the filters, we are having some types of filters we will discuss also. Okay, we will discuss those things also. Clear? We are having something types of the filters in the Power BI. Okay, what are the types of the filters are there, how to do the filters, we will discuss that also. Okay, clear? Now coming to here, we're having something report view, we're having something here the table view, we're having something about the model view. So what is model view? Where we are creating that I mean modeling part, where I told you that power pivot, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Where we are going to creating the data modeling part in the Power BI desktop in the model view, it is possible. Now if you're having more than one table, you can go and create that relationships and the modeling, the building a relationship between the two tables, we will see that. Okay, and apart from that, if you need to create any calculated column, any new column, any calculated new measure, whatever you want, you can do in your this modeling part. And apart from that, you can manage the roles, you can give the security for the data also, we will see that also. Clear? Now coming to the table view, in the table view what we can do this. So in the table view, I can I can view my data, was the data I'm having into my Power BI. Okay, so apart from that, the calendar structures, whatever we are having, these also we can see that. So this is the report where we can build the reports, where we can build the reports, visualizations. It is my report view. And coming to here, there is one more thing which is mobile layout view. Mobile layout view. It is, this is mobile layout view. Okay. Now this is my desktop layout view. Okay, clear? So these are the things are available up to here. Up to here, we discussed about the pans. Everyone clear, right? Any doubts in these pans? Data pan, visualization pan, filters pan, report view, table view, and model view. Okay, and mobile layout view, sorry, mobile layout view and desktop layout view. Everyone clear? Any doubts in these pans? Any doubts? Any doubts?
So, how do you change this view to mobile view?
Just we are having here, right? Observe carefully. We are having
Oh, yeah.
desktop layout view, we are having mobile layout view. I need to select that.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, actually it is an updated version. It is uh, 3 months ago or 2 months ago, it is not there, this update is not there. This mobile layout view here is not updated 3 months ago. Recently they updated, the Microsoft is giving you every month some updates, it will be giving to you. You need to up to date, you need to be up to date every month of ending, every month the Microsoft will be giving to the Power BI something updates. Okay, you know one thing, when I'm learning the Power BI, when I'm starting working of the Power BI, in earlierly, I don't have, I don't have this, I don't have this. What is that? Get data from another source, try sample data, these are all the things not available. The 2015, in the sense 16 or 15, I don't have this thing. I don't have this thing. Just I'm having only get data here, only get data here. I'm unable to get this thing. But the Power BI, in the Power BI, Microsoft is giving that every month they will be releasing some good features. And one more thing, if you observe this, slicer new, card new, these two visuals also not available 2 months ago. 2 months ago they are updated. 1 month ago slicer new is updated. 2 months ago card new is updated. So what I'm trying to say is Power BI will be having good features. Okay, these all the updates, model update. Okay, these all the things are updated last month. Okay, these all the things is updated by Microsoft. So every month you guys are need to be check your updates while you are learning the Power BI or while you are working with the Power BI. You should be up to date each and every month. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now we are done this everything. Now coming to this home tab, coming to these tabs, see we are having the file, we're having the file. We know what we know, or what we know. Open, we know. These are all the things we know that, right? Anything need to discuss here? Get data, import data, export, publish, share, save as. These are all are general terms only, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, see if you have any doubts, ask me, I'll let you know that. I'm starting with the home tab. Okay, now in the home tab, what we are having that in the clip, in the home tab we are having that clipboard. We know this: cut, copy, format, painter, paste. Okay, now coming to the data, get data, we are having that. If you need to get the data from the multiple sources, you can get the data from this option. Now what you have to do, you need to select the get data. See, as I told you, the Microsoft Power BI will be having the Microsoft Power BI having the capability to get the data from different data sources. It means 99 plus data sources you are able to get that. You are able to get that more than 99 plus data sources. Yes or no? So whatever the source it is, see, I'm giving you that, I'm telling you that wherever you can store your data, whatever the technologies you are using as of now, wherever you can store your data, I can get the data into my Power BI and I can work on that. I'm giving you a challenge. Wherever you can store your data, wherever, if you want to store your data, even it is PDF, I can get that. I can import the data into the Power BI. Even if you store your data in the JSON file, even if you store your data in the XML, if you store your data in Azure, if you store your data, if you store your data in any one technology, I can get it easily with the help of my data sources. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Clear? So the get data. So get data in the sense you can collect the data from that multiple sources. Okay, clear, everyone? Now Excel workbook, if you need to directly work on Excel workbook, the flat file which is Excel workbook, in the Excel also one of the data storage purpose they will be used that, right? So the Excel also you can directly get it. One Lake Data Hub, it is also one of the data getting option. And SQL Server, we can also get the data from here. Enter data. If you don't have any data, you can practice by entering yourself your own data. You can do the data was. These all the things are collecting the data only. Is that clear, everyone? If I need to get the data, I have to go to in my data. Is that clear, everyone? Are you getting that? Clear, right? Clear or
Yes.
not?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So coming to the queries, in the queries, what we are having that in the queries, we are having something about the refresh, we are having something about the transform date. If you observe that when I'm discussing that components, Power Query Editor, Power Query Editor, I discussed that, right? But if you observe that, nowhere you are able to see that Power Query Editor, nowhere. But how I need to go and work on the Power Query? See, now we are in Power BI Desktop, right? What I told you, what is Power BI Desktop? Those all the component will be interact with the Power BI Desktop. But here, yes, right? Yes or no? I told you that, right? When I'm discussing the Power BI Desktop, what is the Power BI Desktop? So the Power Query Editor, Power Pivot, Power View, Power BI Services, all the components will be interact with Power BI Desktop. Yes or no? I told you that, right? Yes or no? That's why I discussed the basic things before going to start that Power BI practically. Did you got it right now? Okay, so now this transform the data, what is that? If I need to work on the Power Query Editor, I need to click on transform data, sorry, transform data, go for transform. Now I'm able to work on Power Query Editor. Okay, I am able to work on Power Query Editor. Is that clear? Now this Power Query Editor also you will see that it is a particular window. It's not command with this. It will be open particular window, and there you are going to working on it and refreshing the data. Refreshing data means everyone know this. What is refresh data? If any data is modified, if any data is updated in your original data, once you did refresh, you will get it in your Power BI report also. Okay, and insert visualizations. See, better to go for better to go for visualization pan if you want to get the visual, if you want to insert the visualizations. Okay, calculations and these all are disable the options. Why? Because we are in Power Pivot. We are in Power Pivot. Okay, no need to worry, we'll see that also. Now coming to that insert, see the new page. If I need to get the new page, I can get it here by selecting this. Now coming to here visuals, I told you that always prefer visuals from here only. Okay, AI visuals also available in the Power BI and Power Platform. In this Power Platform, okay, if you know, if you need to know that, do you know anyone Power Platform developers? Power Platform developers, anyone know this person who can work on Power Apps, who can work on Power Automate, who can work on Power BI, okay, who can work on these all the concepts, these all the technologies, who is working on particular role, he will be called as a Power Platform developer. Okay. So going forward, we are not seeing this Power Apps and Power Automates, and why? Because these all are not for us, for Power Platform developers, but these also included in the Power BI. If you need to learn the Power App, Power Automate particularly, there is a particular technology, these two things. Okay, no need to worry about this. Now elements, whatever the elements are there, text box, buttons, shapes, image, these are all the elements of the we are using that. Okay, now coming to the modeling part. In the modeling we are able to get, we can manage our relationships, we can calculate our data, we can I mean we can refresh our page. Parameters we can do that. Okay, add parameters to visuals. So we are going to discussing about the parameters also. And apart from that, we're having something security of the data, we're having row level security or less. Those also we are going to discussing that. Q&A means Q&A in the sense, what are the questions and answers, it will be giving you that. And the view tab, in the view tab there is a themes. Okay, themes everyone know this. And coming to this page, page view. Okay, scale to fit, mobile layout, done. Mobile layout we have seen that here, right? And then page options, filter span. See, this is filter span. Now if I don't want means, I can do this. If I need means, I can select that. Whatever the pans I need to get in my desktop, I can get it. Whatever the pans, show pans it is, show pans it is. Did you got my point, everyone? I no need bookmarks, I no need selection as of now, I no need performance analyzer, I no need sync slicer. I know, if I need to use the filter span, then I can use that, or else I can disable that. Everyone clear? And coming to this optimize queries, past visualizations, refresh visual, optimization, presets, performance analyzer. These are all the optimization things we are going to using that. Clear everyone so far? These are all the things we are having, the options and operations, whatever we are having that. We are going to working for the next 2 months on these concepts. These are all the concepts we are going to see that. Anyone doubts? Anyone doubts? Anyone doubts? Any doubts?
No.
Okay, thank you. See, please try to respond to my questions you're asking. I see you are listening means you are getting or not. How can I understand? Yes or no? So that's what I'm requesting you, when I'm asking that any one question, please try to respond to me. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, if you guys are not giving respond, I don't know, you are gathering the things, you're grabbing the things what I'm saying here. So please try to understand me. If you're not understanding me, so please ask me. If you're understanding means when I'm asking that did you got or not, please respond to me at least. Okay,
So,
I'm requesting you guys.
so I have a general question, Manikanda. So, I just downloaded the Power BI desktop, and do we have to sign in, right, in order to work?
See, no need to sign in. To use that, no need to sign in. To use that means to practice. No need to sign in.
Okay.
Okay. See, when you need to sign in means, when I will let you know that we discussed about something about the licenses, right? Yes or no? The sign in, the account will be given by your organization, or else you can create one Microsoft account. You can use that also. But while you're creating that account for the Power BI, that credential, I mean that mail account should be organizational account only. Your personal account will not work for that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now I'll do one thing for today. I'll do one thing for today. We have seen that how to install the Power BI, and once you did install the Power BI, what is the page it is, what is the desktop you are able to get it in your Power BI, right? Now what I will do is just I'm going to import the data into Power BI, and once I did imported the data, I will discuss about one concept. Okay, I'll discuss about one concept. Okay, now how to get the data, how to gather the data from multiple sources, data sources. It means from different data sources we can gather that, right? As I told you that, but how it is, but how it is. Now I'm going to getting the data. Okay, observe carefully. This is my get data option. What is this? Connected to data from multiple sources. Okay, it is giving you the data. Now I told you that whatever the data you want, okay, from where the data you want, you need to select that data here. The data store technology, the data store technology, you have to select this. Now, if I'm having the data in the CSV file, I need to select that. If I'm having the data in the XML file, I need to select that, whatever it is. Now, what I'm doing is, see, everyone having installed Excel, right? Yes or no? Even anyone having SQL Server database? Anyone having IBM database? Anyone MySQL database? Anyone Teradata? If having means only one or two members. But coming to this CSV and Excel, everyone installed this, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Basic things, I mean, technologies you have been, right? Yes or no? So that's why what I'm doing is everyone know this Excel workbook, everyone know installed, and everyone know this. So using of Excel, that's why I'm going to selecting this Excel workbook as a data source. Now I'm going to connecting that. Once I'm done, once I'm selecting that particular data source, now whatever the Excel files are there in my device, it will be showing to me. It will be showing to me. So these are all the data sets we are going to discussing. Okay, sample superstore and product table, employer training data, clearance data, bike data, Australia data, annual sales data. These are all the data sets we are going to see that. Not only these only for Excel data sources. We are having another. See, actually, in this file, where I'm having some CSV data, okay, CSV files, but it is not showing. Why? Because I selected only the Excel file only, Excel data source only I have been selected that. Now what I need to do is just I'm going to selecting one data which is sample superstore data. I'm going to opening that. Now it will be giving you one navigator. Now this is a navigator where you can view your data. Okay, now it is giving you one navigator. In this you have to select that table only. What is this icon? What is this icon? Both are same, huh? Or any different? Okay, I'm going to selecting the table only. Okay, now you can select this also, but it is a sheet, right? I know need the sheet. When I need to go for sheet, when I'm having the data in multiple sheets in the file, then I can go and select this orders. Now I don't have that. Now I'm going to working on a single table. Going forward we are going to working on multiple tables. No need to worry. Just start with working of single table. Okay, clear? So now I'm going to selecting this orders table. Now if I click on the load, what will happen? If I click on the transform data, what will happen? See, I told you that Power Query Editor, right? If you need to go directly to the Power Query Editor, you have to select the transform the data. If you need to import this data into Power BI desktop only, you can go and use that load this. Okay, forget about all the things, just focus on load only. Okay, now the orders table, whatever the data we are going to loading into the Power BI desktop, it is giving you a clear picture. It means you are able to view here. Okay, now I'm going to click on load. This is exactly my data, whatever the data I'm having here. Okay, now we gather the data from the Excel data source, and this data field names, whatever the field names are there here, those will be having here. Okay, and one more thing you have to understand that, see, we gathered the data, we collected some data into the Power BI desktop. Okay, and here if you observe that in the data pan we're having something, the data fields. Okay, now if you observe that in the table each and every column we are having something records are there. Okay, we need to know something. What we need to means, see, here we are having the records. Now if I'm asking this, what is the data type? It is
Text.
text data type, right? Now what is this data type?
Text.
What is this data type?
Date format.
What is this data type?
Number.
If you observe, whenever I'm going to selecting a particular column which is text data type, which is data type, which is number data type, observe this carefully. How you are saying that if you're having something records, if you once you selected this column only, you are able to get the data type, which one data type it is. You are able to get that which format it is, you are able to get that here. But now let me know, what is this data type? What is this
Text.
data type? What is this data type?
Number. Um, no, it shows text.
Text only, right? You are getting here, right? Text only, right?
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
now let me know that what is this ordered ID data type?
Ready. Text.
Text only. Okay. Now, what is this product ID data type?
Text.
So thank you for answering. Thank you for answering. If you observe that whatever the things I'm asking, category, city, country, customer ID, customer name, order ID, product name, region, if you observe that nothing is there before that columns, right? How to identify the columns? I'm saying that. Okay, try to understand it. How to identify the columns? I'm trying to say that nothing is there before the fields. Nothing means the icons. Nothing is there before the columns or the fields. It should be categorical data, which is text data. Is that clear? Is that clear? I'll let you know
Yes.
why we need to know this here. I'll let you know that why, because whenever we are going to adding something data in my visualizations, I should know, I should add that x-axis something, y-axis something, I should add that. If you need to add that which data is, which column is which data type, you need to understand that before that. That's why I'm trying to say that. Okay, that's why I'm trying to explain this. Okay, the category is sorry. Okay, see, here I need to identify the data type of the columns also. Okay. See, now if you observe that something symbol is there before the column, which is summation symbol. If you observe that profit, quantity, row ID, sales, postal code, discount, you tell me what is the data type it is. You tell me what is data type it is.
Number?
Exactly, number data type. Okay, whenever I'm having the summation symbol before the column, the data type is should be the data type should be number data type. It means the numerical data type it is. Now what is this date type? Yes or no? Order date we are having, date type it is. Is that clear everyone? What is this icon? Calendar icon, right? So based on these icons, I can identify which data type it is, which the column name, which data type it is, which one I need to add into my visualizations. I can understand it clearly. Is that clear everyone for today? Is that clear what we are done for today? What is the Power
Yes.
BI desktop here? Okay, what are the operations are there? What are the options are there? What are the pans are there? What are the views are there? Each and everything we have seen that. Where I need to go to, if I need to go to the Power Creator, where I have to go? What is this model view? Where I can get the Power Pivot? What is this table view? And what is this report view? Where we can create the reports and visualizations? How I can add the pages? What is the visualization pan, data pan, and how to get the data, how to get the data. And once we gather the data, what is the data available in that data pan, in the table view. So in this data pan, what is the data available? All the data tables, I mean all the data of the column is I'm able to here. Now here we are having something about the data. Okay, so for the columns we are having that. For the columns, what type of the data types it also we are done it for today. And tomorrow I'll let you know, I'll try to explain what data exactly we are having that. Okay, why? Because before going to creating any one visualization, what I told you, first thing we need to pull our data, we need to collect the data into the Power BI, and then we have to analyze that. We have to analyze that, yes or no? After that we have to do the cleaning part and the visualization. Okay, when we need to go for the visualization, when my data is ready to create visualizations, when I can understand that when my data is ready to create a visualization, when the data is ready made. Now this is a ready made data, this is a ready made data. The first thing I'm going to working on ready made data, you guys are need to know how to create the visualizations. After that I will go for, I'll give you one structure of this, what we are going to learning that. For the Power BI with SQL. Power BI with SQL we are going to learning here, right? We are going to see here. Now, what we are going to see that? What we are going to see that? Now in the Power BI we are going to see something. First I will discuss with basic concepts, and apart from that I'll discuss with basic charts or the visuals, and then I'll discuss with sorry X functions. After that I will discuss with Power Query. After that I will discuss with data modeling. After that I will discuss with Power BI services, and finally I'm going to discussing is SQL database. SQL database, we are going to see that. In the SQL database, we are going to discussing about data analytics part. This is all the things we are going to see for the next 2 months. This is the structure. Okay. Within two months, you guys are going to learn this. Clear, everyone? This course is called as data analytics. Data analytics with Power BI and SQL. Everyone clear? Clear, everyone? Any doubts in this? Yeah, good morning. I hope everyone clear, right? Any doubts? Hello?
Yeah, no, yeah, I'm good.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. Thank you for joining, everyone. I hope if anyone did not enroll this course, please enroll for today. Okay, and we are going to starting that practical sessions. If you guys are need to get, the recording sessions and the documents, what I'm going to giving you documents. If you need to get it, means you need to go for the Google Classroom, and the recording sessions also you will get it from the Google Drive. If you guys are how to get it, means you should enroll this course, and then only you are able to get it maybe. And tomorrow or the link also will be changing. Okay, clear? If anyone did not roll, everyone enroll, right? Anyone did not enroll? Bhargavi, did you enroll?
Yes, sir, enroll.
And Teddy, who is this Teddy? May I know your good name, please? Okay, Pujita, what about you? Pujita, can you hear
Oh,
me?
yeah, yeah. I just joined today.
Okay,
So yeah, I will enroll.
okay, please try to enroll as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay. I mean, is there any um, process to enroll, or it's just we have to pay and
See, we are having one contact. I will give you that. Give me a second.
yeah, I think
Do
I
you have any?
spoke to Mutyal Rao, right?
Yes, Mutyal Rao.
Okay, I'll talk to him.
Contact him. He will help you to how to enroll this course.
Sure. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And what about Nathan? Nathan, can you hear me? Nathan, can you hear me? Okay, fine. See, actually, I'm trying to say that if anyone did not enroll, means please enroll that. Why? Because January 4th, we started the demo sessions. Sir, no? Demo sessions. So far we are giving only 3 sessions only. Okay, and I mean three demos we given the free sessions, and after that we given uh, I mean, we are going to giving the regular classes. Okay, currently we are going to working on regular. Currently we are doing regular classes only. Okay, please try to enroll that. Clear, everyone? And one more thing, what we have seen, what we are going to see that I'll let you know that. I tell you that, and the real time projects what we are going to see everything. I'll let you know. Okay. See here. If you complete this course, you'll get a good opportunities in the IT market. Why? Because the Power BI is very easy to learn and to get into the IT. But you have to focus. Very easy means it's a simple technology. I'm not saying like that. Without having coding knowledge, you can get into power. You can get into IT sector easily with the help of the Power BI. That's what I'm saying. That okay? Clear, everyone?